Hey up friends, today we're going to draw. Daddy, what are we going to draw?
Fireworks!
Yeah, we are going to draw fireworks.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to start off by folding our piece of paper in half.
Okay.
And then corner to corner.
Corner to corner, got it.
Then go up and across.
Got it.
Okay.
Yep.
Now we're going to fold the top half over like that.
Got it.
We're also going to turn it over now
Yep.
and fold this other half up here.
Got it. Woo!
And then we're going to open our paper up. You should have this.
Yep.
Yep.
Looking good.
So I'm going to start off with our rocket by drawing the top.
Okay. I've got a brown Sharpie. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to do a little triangle.
Okay. Yep.
I'm going to connect it with a slightly curved,
Gone a bit low, but that's alright.
like we did with our R2D2 lesson. And if you want, you can check that out.
Yeah. That's online, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whoops. Whoops. It's alright, it's fine.
That's okay. It doesn't matter if they look different because most of these are
Okay.
fun. So I'm going to draw
One thing is that fun.
2 lines down so it looks like a rocket launcher.
Yep.
Look, rocket. Okay, cool. Now we're going to connect them with another slightly curved.
Slightly curved. Got it.
Now I'm going to open. Now we got the surprise.
Ah, surprise. What do we do now?
Now we're going to do just extend those a little further and extend these further. So I'm going to draw the little bang in the middle. So I'm going to draw first off our B.
Right.
And just do a normal B apart from them not connecting. Apart from them not connecting. Lines aren't connecting. Then we're going to do little D's inside the bumps. Make it look bubble writing. Cool. Then we're going to do the S. We're going to do a triangle. Then another triangle, but this time we're going to make the top flat.
Okay. I did the top flat on this one.
Connect and connect those. Okay, cool. And then we're going to draw a triangle inside the big triangle. Make it look like an A.
Mine's a bit different to yours.
It's going bang, so we're going to draw the N now.
Okay.
Draw. Draw an N. A normal N and just trace around it. Cool. Then I'm going to do the G.
A bit different.
So I'm going to draw the G.
Yeah.
I'm going to do this G capital.
Okay.
So I'm going to do the G like...
Are we colouring it in?
No, we're going to do G capital. I'm going to do a curve, C shape, and then across. And then do the same thing over here. Looks like that. Bam.
Something like that.
Mm.
Okay, cool. Mine's a bit different to yours, is that alright?
Yeah, it's alright.
Okay.
A zigzag around it.
Oh, all the way around it? Like a explosion. Okay. Cool.
Now we're going to draw just a little explosion here. But I want to make sure we don't go past this line.
Okay. Oh, I see. Along the, like where it's ripped sort of thing.
Just a little explosion. Because explosions don't have just one explosion, they explode little places in little places. They explode in little places.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, right. Didn't get that. Something like that. Bit 3D.
Yeah. Then we're going to draw the mouth, aren't we? I'm going to draw the mouth.
Aren't you?
I'm going to draw the mouth.
Yeah, okay. What mouth?
Mouth like those on here.
Ah, I didn't know those have got a mouth.
So we're going to do... So you can do yours whatever you want, but we're going to do ours pulling our closed eyes and pulling it. Okay, so we fast forward our face, but you guys at home can do whatever face you want. So we're going to use yellow, red and blue, and we're going to fast forward this part, but at the end you guys can pause the video to match the same colour. Ready to fast forward?
Ready.
Let's do it right now. Yours look awesome. High five.
High five.
Yeah.
Yo.
You ready to show our drawings for our art friends?
Yeah. Awesome.
Awesome. Yeah, you did great, mate. I love how you do it sideways and you coloured it in orange instead of black. It looks really cool like that.
Yeah, but I love yours as well. Yours is like a really long, sleek rocket. And you've got this extra explosion down here. Love it. Well done.
Yeah, okay.